My goal is straightforward, to make the law usable and easy to understand for everyone. All of us in the United States have equal rights and should have an equal opportunity and a right to justice. I'm here to help because I want everybody to achieve their American dream. I'm Brad Bernstein, and this is your Immigration Braducation. I'm not here to tell you what you want to know. I'm here to tell you what you need to know. U.S. immigration law is complex and the regulations are constantly changing. My objective is to make the law easy for you to understand so that you can use the justice system, know your rights, take advantage of the law, and achieve your American dream. Now, there are 39 countries enrolled in the United States Visa Waiver Program that allows citizens of those countries to travel to the United States for tourism and stay for 90 days without a visa with an ESTA, which is the digital travel authorization to the USA you obtain online. Now, why are some countries in the Visa Waiver Program and citizens of those countries can get ESTAs and citizens of other countries can't? Well, the United States determines if your country is in the Visa Waiver Program based on two statistics. One is the percentage of people who overstayed their visas from your country. The other is the percentage of people who were refused visas from your country. Countries with low percentage rates of both visa overstays and visa refusals get into the United States Visa Waiver Program. How long can I stay in the United States with an ESTA? Well, the ESTA is not a Live in America visa. It is not a Work in America visa. You have to leave the United States after 90 days. There are no extensions or change of status to the ESTA program. But what if I'm coming to get married? Well, if you're coming to get married as a foreign couple and you want to have this really special wedding in America, then that's okay. But if you are coming to marry a permanent resident or a United States citizen, that is not okay. That would be a misrepresentation. Because entering the United States on an ESTA, whether you say something or not at the airport, it is implied you are a tourist. It is not a fiancé visa or a marriage visa. So if you were to marry a United States citizen or permanent resident while on the ESTA, the government would call you a liar. You said you were visiting, and then you are marrying a United States citizen or resident, which is not allowed on the ESTA. It is a blatant misrepresentation. So what if I make a misrepresentation? Big deal. Big deal? You can be barred from entering the United States for the rest of your life. Whether you marry a green card holder or you marry a United States citizen to get your permanent residence, or you even want to come back on a non-immigrant tourist visa or student visa, you will be barred. And there are very few exceptions in which you can get a waiver. Now let's talk loopholes. What is interesting about the ESTA is that if you come to America and you wait more than 90 days, and then you get married to a United States citizen, well, then the law says, okay, you changed your mind. You were coming to visit, and then you changed your mind. And that's okay, because it's okay to come with the intent to visit and then change your mind. But it is not okay to come to America on an ESTA with a preconceived intent at the airport or at a border crossing to get married to get your green card. But the ESTA is only for 90 days. So you're saying I would have to become undocumented to stay in America in order to obtain my green card through marriage and adjustment of status? Yes, that is what I'm saying. Because you want to avoid making a misrepresentation by getting married in the first 90 days. Because if you marry a United States citizen, then you are still allowed to adjust your status in the United States to get a green card through your marriage, even if you overstay your visa. And that goes for any visa, including the ESTA. So as crazy as that sounds, this is the law. If you're coming to America to marry a United States citizen, to get your green card on an ESTA, you need to overstay. Then get married, and then adjust your status. If you do this, you're on your way to getting a green card, provided you're in a bona fide loving marriage. Otherwise, you are getting denied for misrepresentation. There is a waiver for misrepresentation, but they're really hard to get approved. And if you are denied, and since you already signed your rights away on an ESTA, you have no right to contest your deportation, and the local immigration officer can put you on a plane and send you home without you ever seeing a judge. But if you're going to overstay, make sure you get married because your ESTA is no longer valid. So the only way to gain immigration status is get married to get your green card. Are there other loopholes? Well, yeah. The same thing applies for children of United States citizens who are under the age of 21 and parents of U.S. citizens who are filing for them who are over the age of 21. But what if I don't want to get a green card? I just want to stay for 90 days and leave. When can I come back? Well, you're a tourist on the ESTA Visa. So tourists have permanent residences elsewhere and not in the United States. So you need to be permanently living elsewhere more than in the United States. A good rule of thumb is to stay out of the USA twice as long as you're in the USA on an ESTA. So if you come for 90 days to the USA on an ESTA, stay out 180 days. Now, this is a rule of thumb and is not specific to any particular person. And remember, in most cases, the ESTA lasts up to 2 years after it's granted. Tune in to Brad Show Live weekdays, 6 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Facebook and YouTube for more Braducations, immigration and legal news, interviews, fun, and to achieve your American dream.
This is general legal advice only. Ask your attorney about your specific situation. Prior successful results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.